Okay, now we have 3 points, 1, 3, 0, 0, and 4, 2, and they form an angle right here at the origin, and we're asked how big is that angle? What? No idea how big that angle is. Alright, actually, it's not hard to figure out what that angle is if you notice a couple things, and you're probably not going to notice them, so I'll point them out to you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually add a little something to this diagram. I'm going to add this right here. I'll connect these. There. Now I have a little triangle, and I do know something about the angles in a triangle, that they all add up to 180. I know that. And I also noticed, you see this, if I were to use Pythagorean theorem, this side here, 1, 2, 3, 1, and here, 1, 2, 3, 1, they're both square root of 10 units long. So this is an isosceles triangle. And we know some things about isosceles triangles, and especially their base angles. Okay. So that's a fact we need. And then here, we know that if you look here, 1, 2, 3, 1, the slope of this line is 3 over 1 for that slope. And over here, this is 1, 2, 3 down 1, so that's negative 1/3 for that. So those two lines are negative reciprocals, those two segments. All right, so again, let's look at all of our facts together here. We've got negative reciprocal slopes. We've got an isosceles triangle. Okay? And we're trying to figure out what this angle is down here. So if you need do a little research on that one, just Google isosceles triangle base angle theorem, something like that. What is it true about those base angles? The two base angles here are the angles that are on the base of the triangle. Right? Look up those negative reciprocal slopes. Reciprocal. How to spell that? Reciprocal. Negative reciprocal slopes. Look that up. We've talked about it a lot, though, so you should know what that is by now. Yeah, so look that up, and I think you can figure out what that angle is. And if you know what that angle is, and you know the relationship between these two, it's not too hard to figure out what that is. So I'm going to leave that up to you, because I think you're hardworking. You're going to look this up. You're going to figure it out. You're smart. So there you go.